Remember that time when somebody was like walking on the street, seeing a cat in the window? First here, walking experience. Do you know where you get to see that? You can have that every single day, multiple times a day. South Philadelphia. South Philadelphia, that's where. Do you know why? Well, number one, everybody here has a cat. Everybody in Philly has a cat. But also because in South Philly, the window to somebody's living room is right here. This is the sidewalk. And here's the living room. Right here. Right here. Boom. Boom. Perfect place for a cat. Sometimes a dog, usually a cat. And they expect you, and they're beautiful. Best part of my day. Daily walks where I know I'm gonna see at least one funny thing happen and at least one cat. Go birds.